One of the coolest things I get to do with the airplane is to fly to locations for a listing where it's a little bit too far to drive. And this was one of those cases to set up a listing and do the video and photography work over in eastern Washington on a beautiful lake. I'm Reese. I sell real estate for a living, but I fly and instruct in the Aerostar for fun. Join us on our travel and training adventures in the world's fastest light piston twin. IFR to 0 Sierra 7.
Aerostar 11111, Payne clearance. Cleared to the 0 Sierra 7 airport via the Payne 6. Then it'll be Alpha Lima Papa Sierra Echo, direct Kilo Romeo Uniform Zulu Romeo. Then it's filed. Maintain 3000. Pressure is 128.5, squawk 4731. And Aerostar 1111, before the readback, actually, correction to the altitude is 2000, maintain 2000.
I thought that might come in there somewhere. 11111 is cleared to 0 Sierra 7 via the Payne 6 departure. Climb maintain 2000. Alpha Lima Papa Sierra Echo, then Hotel Victor Alpha Romeo Delta is the one I believe I had filed. 128.5 and 4731.
Aerostar 111, before the one that you filed, they do have after the first one, Alpha Lima Papa Sierra Echo, then it's Kilo Romeo Uniform Zulu Romeo, then it's filed.
Okay, after Alps, it's Cruiser, then it's filed. 111.
Aerostar 111, readback is correct, size ground tower, IFR, thanks.
Alright, now we got it.
Okay, you have a new radio setup.
Huh?
You have a new setup, it's just one cable.
No, it's been there for a couple years. Alright, so squawk 4731, I'll get that in there. Now let the radios kind of warm up here for a second, which they need to do.
Only 16 right, line up and wait.
11111, line up and wait, 16 right.
111, traffic is a Syndicon downwind. 292 here, traffic holding in position.
They have a dream lifter here.
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
That's where they come and go from. They're bringing stuff in constantly.
Gotcha. There's only like 5 or 10 of them or something.
I don't know. I see them every once in a while. It's kind of cool. All right, we'll go to sterile cockpit here for a while until we get up to reasonable altitude.
Aerostar 111, traffic on the upwind is in the pattern, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
111, good go.
292, you can turn base, runway 16 right, clear, touch to go. Base to approve, 16 right, touch to go, then a couple 610.
Alright, power's up, airspeed's alive. 80 knots, lighten the nose a little bit. 9500 rotate. Got lots of runway, so I'll delay putting the gear up. Okay, pause the rate climb, gear up, 110 flaps up.
Aerostar 111, verify smoking 4731.
Sail approach, see you. Sail approach, Aerostar 11111, with you out of 1500 for 2000.
1111, sail departure to contact on the maintain 1000.
I maintain 1000 from 1. Left, direct Alps.
Say it again, 90 Bravo. Ident. For 5490 Bravo, trying to contact 7 miles southwest of the Payfield Airport 2000. What type aircraft were you going? Cessna 152, flight following to Lafayette, 90 Bravo. Bravo, enter a 5 mile straight in if able, clear visual 16 right.
We can enter a 5 mile straight in, 6960 Bravo.
For 5490 Bravo, altitude we're setting 2992.
No kidding. Terrain. Pull up. I don't want to. Approach, they say. Yeah. Oroville traffic, Aerostar 111 on the modified left base for runway 33.
Why is that Canadian flag there? I know we're close, but that was kind of weird. Looks like a taxiway. It's because it is. Alright, we'll get off the runway here and we'll go ahead and open that up. And we'll turn pitot heat off, strobes off, pulse lights off, pumps off. And we'll bring flaps back up. That's somebody's headset banging around. What? Oh, that scratchiness is a headset microphone scratching around on something.
It's not a MiG, is it?
What? No, that's a
Oh, that's a okay.
yak or something like that. Alright, I gotta figure out what that phone number is. I know it'll be here. There it is, clearance delivery 253. So the batteries are all dying. Hey, here's to a good day shooting. Cheers. Wait a minute, gotta get Tammy in there. There we go, cheers. And Nolan over here, drone pilot extraordinaire. Oh, it even puts a light on it, I didn't know that. There's the steak salad. What do we got over there? We got fish and chips. And something with no onions.
Extra onions.
Extra, but they put extra onions. And more fish and chips. Or what are you doing? Is that fish and chips?
Fish and chips.
Fish
all
and
day.
chips for Maria. Tammy's got looks
chicken,
like
chicken strips.
And what do you got?
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Okay, very good.